Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. So this past weekend I stopped by one of the collectible toy stores and they had a bin full of used cars. They were selling for 50 cents each. I picked out these two, and the reason why I picked out these two, it's a Z31 300ZX and it's an AW11 MR2. But even though these are made in China, I have to look up which company this is. When I saw the D81, I know that's like some kind of old school, but this one right here, it's probably the same thing. This is a Zee Toy. It's D78, and they're not in bad condition, you know. And it's one of those things too, like, hey, the wheels are moving, and it is played with condition, but these are old school ones that I really like. And maybe at one point I might have to restore them, but I like the livery on these. And I like I said, like this MR2, there's 300ZX. And these were made in the 80s, right? So it's kind of cool to see, like nowadays they're trying to make them really nice, but these were how they were made original. All right, anyways, so that is my little update.